KleverChain has a new and innovative feature where you, as a project creator, can remove network fees for your token holders by setting up and using KDA fee pools on your specific token. In this tutorial, we'll use KleverChain to configure and activate the KDA fee pools. First, navigate to the Create Transaction page and select the Asset Trigger option. From the trigger type list, choose the Update KDA fee pool option. Select the asset for which you want to configure the KDA fee pool. For this tutorial, a previously created asset will be used. Indicate the admin address that will manage this pool. Once again, by default, the address used in the extension will be filled in for you. Now input the KDA per KLV quotient field. For this video, a value of 10 will be used, which means that 10 KDAs are worth 1 KLV, or that the KDA is worth 1/10 of a KLV. Set the option to activate the pool to yes. Once you're satisfied with the details, click on the Create Transaction button. Like always, a Klever extension window will pop up, requesting you to sign the transaction. Verify all the deeds, and if everything looks prime, click on the Sign button. Your pool has now been configured for your specific token. You can return to this transaction to adjust the KDA KLV quotient whenever you need, or to deactivate the pool if you so wish. However, to activate the pool, one more step is needed. You need to make a deposit of KLV so that they can be exchanged when network fees are paid. So on the same Create Transaction page, select the Deposit option. From the Deposit type list, choose the KDA pool option. Select the asset or collection that you want to configure the KDA fee pool for. In our case, the token that the pool was created for will be used. Enter the token being deposited, which is KLV in this example, in the currency ID field. Enter the deposit amount, which is 10,000 for this tutorial. Once you've confirmed that everything looks correct, click on the Create Transaction button. A Klever extension window will once again appear, asking for a signature of the transaction. Verify that all is good and then go ahead, click Sign. Your pool has now been successfully created and the funds are now available to be used. All transactions made using your specific token can now be paid through the pool. It's important to monitor the deposit balance because if it runs out, users will not be able to make new transactions paid with your token until a new deposit is made. We hope this made the process clear and simple on how to set up and activate your KDA fee pool for your token, making life a lot easier for your token holders. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel. That would be amazing. Have a great day.